What's up, YouTube? How's it going? So today it's gonna be a I don't know. Today is just those kinds of days where it's just fog and fog. I see a little bit of sun right there by George Washington High School, but looks to me it's gonna be a cold day. Anyways, I'm gonna be going to my hang out with my friends last time before I moved to LA, and I'm going to Stowe Lake, hang out Stowe Lake. First I gotta pick up my friends and go get gas for my car because I'm out of gas. Been driving back and forth to Stonebray Golf Course for volunteer work. We'll be doing volunteering this week, so if you see any I don't know if I'm allowed to bring my camera or not, but I'll try to vlog myself at the Stonebray Classic at the PGA. If I can't, I don't know, I'll try to sneak something in. Be worth in the vlog. Also, shoot, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, by the way, today is the actually, this is my 14th vlog. So because today is my 14th vlog, it's a special day. So my friend just got me an Amazon gift card. It's my closest friend. I grew up with him from grammar school, K to 8, and then all through high school. So he got me a little Amazon gift card. I don't know how much is in there, but I'm gonna order myself a so I am ordering a it's called a Smart Tracks board. It's a smart balancing board where it's like a Segway, but you're only using your feet to balance. So I heard a lot of SoCal guys have it, so I thought getting one's gonna make an awesome video for my channel.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, I just picked up my friend. Now we're off to pick up another friend. What's up, guys? Right now I'm at my second friend's house. You can see him, but like, yeah, I'm right outside his house. I guess you can say I'm third wheeling this couple, but I don't want to third wheel, but like I really want to hang out with them because they're like one of my greatest friends ever, and I grew up with them. Sorta, yeah.
Coming for anything?
No, it's okay.
No?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
No. Not yet.
White t-shirt, cargo shorts, and some shoes.
Epitome of a
White boy status. And I'm wearing my LA shirt too. Hey Alex, what's this place called again?
the water tower.
The water tower. Call whatever you want. This is probably what's left of San Francisco water supply. Damn. It's so windy. One thing I love about San Francisco, the view, right? The view. Little Bay Bridge over there. City, Bayview. We're in Bayview, right? Where are we at? Okay, we're near somewhere. I'm just gonna say that. We're near somewhere. Oh crap. Wish I had my shades with me. Those boats look nasty. Nasty AF. I'm wearing nice jeans, a nice shirt, and nice shoes. Oh, they're sort of nice. Oh no, they're worn out. And I'm going boating. And the boats are hella dirty. Hella dirty.
Oh, wrong way.
This is... You sure you don't want me to row out first?
I want to row. I want to row.
I need to put more.
No.
Oh, no, you too.
The struggles. Struggles real.
Go, Alex. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
It's a duck.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I got the little second.
No, it's me.
Oh yeah, it's you.
Okay,
No,
go.
no, it's me. It's me.
Got the
Go,
whole lake
one.
to
We're
ourselves.
gonna go on the bill. We're gonna go that way.
I wish I had my shades. She's like, she wants to go into LOL.
Oh, this way stuff.
Huh?
Oh, this way. Oh, no. Oh, shit.
It's a beautiful day in San Francisco, and we're here at beautiful Stowe Lake, rowing the boat through this magical, wonderful park. And yeah, just finished rowing. Now I'll have to see some more friends. Okay guys, so I'm here at the park. It's a freaking summer camp here, and I gotta meet my friend. I just spoke to my friend. I hope she's not watching this video, but sometimes I just don't like her. She can be kind of bitchy, excuse my language, but yeah. If you're wondering who that girl was that I spoke to, I'm just gonna come out clean. She's my ex. That's all I have to say. Why my friends? Oh, we just remain neutral. We just stay friends because it's better that way. So it doesn't have to be awkward. Alright guys, so we're having lunch at Seal Rocket, and it's like 2-minute walk from my house. I never tried the place, but my friend says it's good, so we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna miss life in the Bay Area, so I'm gonna miss the fog, I'm gonna miss the weather, I'm gonna miss everything. I'm a Bay Area kid, but I'm gonna visit San Francisco often, you know, on my break when I don't have school. And yeah, this is my last week in SF. I'm gonna be moving down Friday morning. So if you're really looking forward to my Friday vlog, check it out soon. I'm gonna have one up by Friday night. I'm gonna try it by Friday night, maybe Saturday morning, but yeah, try to get it up. It's probably gonna be like a 5-minute vlog, 10-minute vlog, but I'll do my best. So it's gonna be me driving with my mom, and my dad and my brother will be driving a separate car because I have tons of stuff to move. Like, I don't know, I have shit tons of stuff I need to bring down to LA with me that I need. I don't want, but I need. Alright guys, so I ordered my board already. It's gonna come in by August 6th, August 10th, around there, and I shipped it down to LA so I don't have to, because I don't live in San Francisco anymore. Yeah, he's in that stage where he's teething. It hurts, but you'll get used to it, because that's how I got used to it. When he sleeps, he snores too. Like loud. Well, I would be sleeping in my room, I can hear him snoring.
Ew.
I want to give a special shout out and thanks to my friend for giving me this really good tea from China. I'm gonna try it later. And yeah. That's all the tricks he knows. He won't fetch with a bone, he'll fetch with a ball.
He'll fetch with a ball?
Yeah.
Ball?
I don't have a ball.
Tennis ball?
No, he's not allowed to chew on tennis balls.
Why?
It's too big for him.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi!
I don't know where the other balls are.
Eat dog food! For what class?
Church history and world history.
Is it on?
Yeah, what?
I was gonna show you how to turn off your piano.
Turn on?
Turn off your piano.
It does not have an on switch. Actually, it does. You just have to find it. I hit the power button.
Yeah, you do!
No, I don't. I'm horrible at playing guitar.
You can't be an
Alright guys, so I've got a couple ideas for prank videos and I don't know when I'm gonna start filming, to be honest. I can't do this alone, so I'm gonna have to find some other people to help me with my prank videos, so yeah.
Prank video.
It might be in
Let's
Southern
prank
California
Alex.
or it might be here. I'm not sure yet, so I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks. Oh, I'm not ending it here, so I still got a whole day. Okay, I do not know if my folks are high or not. Talk about high on drugs.
I'm not high. I'm just
Alright,
hyper.
alright, right.
I like this chair.
What's up, guys? I got some really good news to tell you. The Suicide Squad trailer has come out on YouTube. So if you haven't taken a look at it, I'll put the link in the description box below. It's known for people feeding pigeons.
Is it?
Yep.
I don't think so. It's known for the, you know.
Look at this beautiful view. You know, like if people here always feed the pigeons, they always feed the pigeons. Alright, Alex, I dare you to jump in. I don't want to drop my camera, but like, I dare you to jump in, man. Where's Steph going? Don't fall. I have no idea how deep. I would say 5 feet. Alright guys, so if you're wondering what this area is, this used to be the Central Pool House of San Francisco before it got wrecked in the 1906 earthquake. Now it's a historical monument. It's a very windy place right now. Right, so right here, I'd say it's about maybe, yeah, 5 feet, 5 to 10 feet long, deep. Photography at its finest. So hard to walk on this. I don't want to fall because I'm afraid I might get sand in my shoes, but then I don't want to fall down that direction either because I'm gonna get wet. That's a bad thing. There's no fish in that area. Takes lots of pictures. I take lots of pictures too, but I usually take on my DSLR camera. Oh no, 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 okay. We're walking on the sand, I gotta be careful because shit. I don't want to walk in this. Get sand in my freaking shoes. I don't. Slowly. Oh, if you get sand in your shoes, dump them before you get in my car.
Yeah. What's not that
I want to check it later. Yep. You can also walk, climb up this thingy right here and just walk up the stairs too. What's up, bros? My boy here is taking pictures, like constant pictures. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm in the tunnel. Tunnel of wind. It's called the wind. Oh, the wind tunnel. Damn, I wish my camera phone came with filters like that. I really do. high tide rolled in and then pulled them, drifted them away. way. Yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? I just dropped my friends off of the Pacifica. Yeah, so I took them home. And this is what I got. A package for me. So I want to give a special thanks and shout out to my friend's mom. Thank you very much for this graduation present. I'm gonna open it right now, and yeah. Alright, so here it is, guys. Oh yeah. It has, the color is Flywire, Nike Flywire. So apparently this bag is not sold online because it's an exclusive bag that never came out to stores yet. And yeah, it's very cool. Throw that away. Water bottle compartment. Ball compartment. More space for extra things. This bag has a lot of pockets. I mean a lot. What?
Oh, never mind, no.
Alright, so guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it because I went rowboating, whatever it's called. And I had a blast with my friends. Thank you, Stephanie, and thank you, Alex, for my last hangout ever. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, peace.